Are you ready to leave your mark on the world? Join Cloud School. Multimedia training that includes desktop publishing, computer graphics, video editing, digital photography, broadcast television, new technologies like specialty cameras and drones.
I'm glad you're here. I've got a lot to share with you. With a little direction and our imagination, we can make almost anything.
Media arts is a vast, dynamic field of work and play, and it's always evolving. Cloud School offers easy-to-follow and powerful concepts you can use to market your business and yourself. It's also a lot of fun, so you can just enjoy the creative expression available to you.
Web design, television, film, live broadcast performance recordings and streaming knowledge and more is available to you at Cloud School.
My job is to break down complex ideas into easy steps that you can follow.
Find a starting place that fits your background and expertise. Most classes will be targeted for beginners and intermediate levels, but with practice these skills can be used in a variety of commercial media and business applications.
Cloud School offers Tom's 25 years of experience teaching digital tools and the latest technologies blended together in an online format. He covers today's top software and hardware used in professional media. The pacing is easy to follow and includes terrific projects and concepts along the way that allow you to stack layers of skills and techniques together. You can do it. Let's make your content, designs and business look amazing and get to where you want to go. These courses are for you if you want to apply your interests in computer-based graphics, photography, drawing, sketching and painting to develop commercial and personal media that can be used to promote a wide range of careers. From software to hardware instruction, courses at Cloud School will combine your desire and passion to learn with years of experience to provide your imagination with creative outlets. Thank you for your interest in learning digital technologies and support for Cloud School. It's all happening up here, so let's get started.